Marketing is an essential part of the success of any business. It doesn't matter how good your product or service is, if nobody knows about it, you won't make enough money to stay in business. If you're having trouble, then this article is for you. We will be teaching you reasons why hiring us for your business's digital marketing could be the solution that gets your sales going again. Digital marketing for small business. A company can reach out to a large number of customers if they know how to use digital marketing efficiently. Potential customers could be sitting on the other side of the world and belong to entirely different cultures, but that makes no difference as long as businesses prepare themselves beforehand with their digital marketing strategies. Companies that advertise digitally gain more attention than those that don't, and this also results in gaining trust through better public relations tactics and improved customer satisfaction for the products or services offered by the company. The world is going digital. We have a choice to be part of this change or remain stuck in the past. While some companies have been slow on the uptake, it's essential to consider the following reasons why digital marketing is so crucial for your business. Budget-friendly. Digital marketing is much more cost-effective than other means of advertisement, which makes it an excellent way for small businesses to market their products. Low-cost services can be very beneficial to small business owners looking for ways to attract the attention of potential customers without having to break the bank or go into debt. Pay-per-click advertisements are one example where companies only pay when someone actually clicks on their advertisement and visits their site, allowing them to save money if they aren't certain about how well their product will sell. Reach. A good caption can make all the difference, so you need to make sure you use them to your advantage. Decide which niche or character requires a longer or shorter comment, and then be consistent with your strategy. When you write a caption, you should try to do 4 things: captivate, motivate, inspire, and give an extra experience of your video or photo. Posting motivational content may sound cliché, but it does generate a lot of engagement. Some people use clever captions alongside hashtags to complement the comment, while other people use more serious words. Ultimately, it's about maintaining consistency and focus. Increased brand awareness. Having advertising is extremely important in the world of business because it allows companies to be more competitive when compared to their competitors. A company that advertises for their products or services will eventually gain brand recognition, so even if someone sees an advertisement once and doesn't take much notice, they'll still subconsciously remember that slogan or logo. Sooner or later, this could result in them buying the promoted product just because they recognize the company's name after having seen it before. This would prove very beneficial for any small business owner looking to expand their customer base. Which services do we provide? We are a digital creative agency, Helsinki, which means that we provide several services, namely content writing, branding, and SEO. We have more than enough experience in the field of digital marketing to ensure that all our customers receive their money's worth for the services they pay us with. Our prices are also very affordable, so you don't have to worry about being overcharged just because of your size as a business or how much profit you make per year. These are the reasons why we are considered as the best agency in marketing in Finland, Helsinki. Every company is different from one another, so there isn't any one-size-fits-all solution when it comes to advertisement. A lot of companies are constantly looking for new ways to advertise themselves through modern technology so they can improve their customer base and increase sales. Create content for your business. All of our writers are experts in writing about a great variety of topics, and we can make sure that your business receives the kind of content it requires to succeed online. Writing isn't easy, but our team has plenty of experience, which means you don't have to worry about getting low-quality articles for your money. We also provide content that is related to making sure that your business or product gains as much exposure as possible, meaning you'll get more customers than before. Branding. As for branding, we do everything short of designing logos and websites for our clients because we feel like those should be done by people who specialize in those kinds of mediums. We will provide you with great graphic designs that help promote your image as a company, which means you'll improve your customer base with ease. SEO, search engine optimization. Our main focus is on doing SEO for our customers because this is the key to digital marketing success. Our team of professional marketers is dedicated to making sure that your website gets as many people clicking through it as possible, resulting in more exposure and customer trust. This will improve the relationships you have with your customers, allowing them to become more loyal towards you, which will give them more reason to buy from you again and again. Why are we the best marketing agency? We are the best marketing agency because of our services. We don't only provide full-scale digital marketing, but we also do content writing for your blog or website, which means that you can receive some traffic without having to pay for it. Our prices are also very affordable, so any small business owner shouldn't have any problem affording them at all. We've spent years in the field of digital marketing, and it is our passion, which means that every customer is extremely important to us, and will get nothing less than what they deserve. Marketing isn't easy, but with our help, you'll get great results in no time at all. Free SEO tools for you. There are free SEO tools available if you already have a website or store for your business, such as website analysis tools that analyze your website with one-to-one marketing funnel comparisons that can help you to make strategies for the future. We also have SEO gadgets, allowing you to check for plagiarism, write articles, etc. Thanks for watching, and remember to visit wolfteam.site.